Staying organized and on top of your tasks can be challenging, but Todoist makes it easy. Todoist is a powerful task management app that helps you organize, prioritize, and track your tasks efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with Todoist to manage your tasks effectively. Download and install Todoist. Download the Todoist app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Alternatively, you can access Todoist through your web browser at todoist.com. Sign up or log in. Open the app and sign up for a free account using your email, Google, or Facebook. If you already have an account, simply log in. Create a project. Tap the plus icon and select Add Project. Name your project, e.g., work, personal, groceries. Choose a color for easy identification and click Add to create your project. Add tasks. Select your project and tap the plus icon to add a new task. Enter the task name, e.g., Finish Report, by Milk. Set a due date and priority level if needed. Press Add Task to save it. Organize with sections and labels. Use sections to group related tasks within a project. Add labels, e.g., at urgent, at home, to categorize tasks across projects. Set reminders and recurring tasks. Tap on a task to add a reminder for a specific date and time. For tasks that repeat, select Make Recurring and set the frequency, daily, weekly, etc. Track your progress. Mark tasks as complete by checking them off. Use Todoist's Productivity view to see your progress and stay motivated. Collaborate with others. Share projects with colleagues or family members. Assign tasks to others and track their progress. Todoist is a versatile tool that can help you stay organized and productive. By using its features to manage your tasks, you'll find it easier to stay on top of your commitments and reach your goals. Don't forget to check out CyberTheo for more tech tips and tutorials.